Meat hot?
Yeah.
Good. Is it hot or cold or mantato?
Warm.
Or warm? Mmm. That looks delicious.
Does it?
Yes. Does it taste delicious?
Yeah.
Good.
But not spicy.
No.
No.
Just delicious.
Yeah. I hope I don't like spicy.
You don't.
No.
Later, when you're a big man, you might like spicy.
I'll eat muesli like you.
You'll eat muesli.
Yeah.
But muesli's not spicy.
I'll just eat it like you.
Yes.
I will come to your house.
Okay.
And when I'm 6 years old, you're gonna be 75 years old.
I am.
And how old are you now?
I'm 70. What?
4.
Yes. 74, then I'll be 75. I won't be 5 like you.
You're gonna be 75. I'm gonna be 6 years old.
Yes.
And I'm gonna be that bigger.